guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I have a very exciting unboxing planned for us. Brought to you by my very dear Auntie Debbie, who has a greeting card company called 4Everlasting Greeting Cards. Isn't it beautiful? This is my last month's box, but I wanted to kind of just put it out here and show you how beautiful it is. And I have this next month's box. So if you're interested, stick around and let's get going. We've got some gorgeous die-cut laminate stickers, some gorgeous poinsettia flowers. I don't know if you can see those. Each one is hand cut out, piece by piece. So we open the box. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, so inside the box, we've got another example of a die cut with laminate paper. Laminate sticky paper. That's stunning. Look at that detail. My gosh. Okay, so in each box, you get an insert. We'll start off with this. I'll put this guy right here. And that insert just kind of tells you what's going on in the box, so what you're to expect. This one says, because there's always so much to do during the hectic holiday season, this month's box was created to make your life easy. So use the DIY card kits as packaged or pull them apart and make it your own way. You got your basics, you got embellishments, DIY projects that are already pre-placed in there. There's 7 cards with everything that you need to embellish, including your envelopes and whatnot, and a thank you gift. I absolutely love that. So in here, there's a little present for me. These are the DIY cards. So my 7 cards that already come pre-packaged with everything I need to decorate, embellish from start to finish. So hopefully I'll be able to make a couple of these. This one's gorgeous. We've got a filigree. I hope you can see it. Maybe not. Yeah, you can. A filigree tree that is also die cut. Look at that insane detailing. And then the paper in here is cardstock, premium cardstock, but gorgeous texture. Look at that texture. So playing around, right? We could just say that I'm making a card with my hands without gluing anything. Is this possible? I do believe it's possible. Let me show you. Boom. We've got a card. If I were to take out one of these and just put it right at the bottom, a gorgeous Christmas card. In less than 50 seconds, maybe? Was that a world record? Who knows? I think I just squashed that, so. Look at this. There are 6 other ones. Opportunities are literally endless. You can go as wild as your little heart or imagination can take you. So what else comes in our sweet boxes? We've got some multicolor rhinestones, self-adhesive, and everything that comes in the box, you can find more supplies at her website, which is found on her little sticker, 4everlasting.net. So if you're like, geez, I'm running low on some self-adhesive rhinestones, you can find them there. Here are some more basics, so you can decorate those as well. Mix and match. You've got some snow people, snowmen, looking snow cute. And, okay, so everything is out. Also, I don't know if I showed you this. I got so excited and I just pulled it out. But it's a multi-purpose glue in a great glue pen. So guys, for all of those tiny little details and all those tiny little places that you gotta get glue, hello, this is amazing. Life changer. Without further ado, I'm going to start making a card. I gravitated towards this one first because look how beautiful this paper is. And if I'm not mistaken, it's hand painted because paper cardstock is flat. You know, cardstock, no problem. The minute you add water to it, it starts to warp a bit. And look at the back. So this is hand painted cardstock that she did, made an ombre effect, and then used, I want to say the word is dioxide. I wrote the word down so that I could make sure. Oh, it was called distressed oxide. So she first watercolored it and then sprinkled distressed oxide. I too am distressed oxide. And then you've got these great trees that are embossed on the paper, which means that they've got a really beautiful texture to them. And then she stamped over with a gorgeous green color. So lots going on, lots of detail, and I mean, unless you have all of these different things that I've been mentioning, die cuts, things that can help you emboss, what is it called? Distress oxide. This is incredible and so unique. So, big, big fan. Here we go. We're gonna make ourselves a card. These great little cutouts make for hills, so we can do, let's see, I like to layer. So I'm gonna get my card, and these are just little stickums that came with a set of, what are they called? A set of drawer, like inserts. So I wanna say they were supposed to be pretty industrial hold, but I wouldn't say they are the most industrial stickers. Then we're gonna add a second one. So first hill is down. Hill. Okay, next I'm gonna put this house. This is where I live. This is my house. Love it. Okay, and then the big piece of mountain. And then I like to match the bottom edge to the bottom so that it looks like that. I'm obsessed. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with my glue and kind of just trace through this Merry Christmas. This is another example of a die cut on a glitter cardstock paper. One shot. Do not miss your chance to capture. Just let it slip. I made this. Wow. Like in no time. Super exciting. Okay. So that's one card, one possibility. Then of course you can glue that down to the front of this, write your message, and send it away with hugs and kisses. So I had so much fun making this one. I'm gonna put it right over here. Okay, let's make another card. That was so much fun. Okay, here we go. So we've got nutcrackers, we've got blue, we've got, I wanna say this is a Happy New Year card, which is super unique. You never really see those around. Another Christmas card. We've got our basics. Should we just go rogue and do a basics card? And then we've got this one too with a really beautiful cardstock. So let's look. I really kind of am gravitating towards this one. It says, happiest of holidays to you. For this guy, it's kind of already done for me, but I think I want to get some tweezers and just kind of fill out the tree a little bit, or the wreath. So I got my tweezy tweezers, and I've got my card here, and it's pretty much done for me. But essentially, this was used with a stamp, and then my Auntie Debbie went in and colored each leaf. As you can see, here's her marker bleeding through. That's so incredible. And then each sprig here, I don't know if you can tell, but each sprig has glitter on it that she hand brushed. Stunning. Oh my gosh. So, it's pretty much done, but I think I'm just gonna add some rhinestones and some bedazzle and make myself a beautiful card over here. So I'm gonna grab a red rhinestone.
Didn't expect that to happen.
Special effects. So you need a little bit of glue. Found it. Sucker. Just kidding. And the same kind of idea that I've got going on over here, you can do with this card as well. I'm thinking you could use these rhinestones as little ornaments, or you can mix and match with these half pearls as well. These are great because they're already in a straight line, so when you peel them off, you can either use them as separates or in a straight line, which is really nice. I am a sucker for polka dots. Maybe that's what I'll do. I love polka dots, you guys, as you will find out little by little as we go. More about me, I love polka dots. So we'll go ahead and I want to say the card that I made, the Halloween card, also had polka dots on it. I'm a big fan. I'm going to go ahead and continue bedazzling this, and then when I come back, it should be finished. Alright guys, so here is the finished result. I bedazzled the white cardstock. It's upside down. Here's the finished result. I bedazzled the white cardstock, and I went ahead and added some really pretty rhinestones to the wreath as well. So this is a more simple approach to the card making process. This is the more difficult layered approach. Both are stunning. Both I would be more than happy to give to somebody for the holiday season. I'm obsessed with this one. It looks like the Grinch for some reason. Thanks for joining me today. I had lots of fun making cards, and hopefully this enticed you to maybe, I don't know, join me for next month's unboxing adventure. Thank you so much, Auntie Debbie, for allowing me to collaborate with you and to do this. I truly have been getting a kick out of making these cards. She also has other greeting cards on her website and is able to collaborate and make anything that your little heart might desire. If there's some theme that you're going for and you'd like to commission her for some cards, reach out. Again, here are her website links. You've got www.4everlasting.net, Instagram at 4everlasting_greeting_cards, and then her Facebook, you can find her at 4Everlasting Events, Designs, and Cards. And if you have any questions, go ahead and put them in my comment section below. If there's something that you see that I'm wearing, please don't hesitate to reach out and be like, hey, what is that? I'd love to chit chat about that as well. And hit that subscribe button and that little button that's like, hey, she's posting, so that you can see when my next post goes up. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is at @BrittanyShameless. What? At @BrittanyShameless? Do you guys know that Britney Spears song, A Piece of Me? So I made my handle when I was probably maybe 15, knee-high to a grasshopper, I don't know, and I heard her say, oh my god, that Britney Shameless, and I was like... And so I'm 15, and I'm like, oh my god, that Britney Shameless. Anyway, that's why. That's why. That's why we're here today. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, enjoy your holiday season, wear a mask, love your neighbors, be 6 feet apart if you do love them and you don't live with them. And yeah, I'll catch you later. Bye.